Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 30. In this video we'll check if this phone has SD card slot. In order to check it, we have to eject this SIM card tray. So let me do it right now. And as you can see, this phone does have SD card slot. Here is the SD card slot, and here are the SIM card slots. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.